Billy Jack on location this Sunday morning at the Salvation Army headquarters. Once again, to get a little bit better look at this building. I was so distracted when I was over here. We are right next to ground zero. Right there is the Nuuanu Stream floodplain. The Nuuanu Stream Valley stream runs right 300 feet from here. If this building and any other building was here at the time of this mud flood, it's buried, if it's still here. This building has had multiple parts of it dug out. Right here being the most interesting. They didn't finish this work on the side of it. They just dug it out and then they put it like a window well, put a tarp over it. The tarp's been graffitied, as you can see. And the ground level starts to rise as you go further back here toward the back. I hope you can hear this. The wind is just blowing terrible here. It's going higher and higher. You can see here the outline blocked up windows. You can clearly see the ground level around here. That's the original ground. That's what caught my attention while I was here. Billy Jack over and out.